I just typed one sentence, and this AI built me a complete online store. Real payments, real inventory, real business dashboard, everything a developer would charge $10,000 for. Zero code, 5 minutes, and it works. But here's the crazy part. I'm going to make it even better. Live, right now. Watch this. This tool is called Atoms, formerly known as MetaGPT or MGX. They've now evolved into Atoms, now your next-gen vibe business team. Most AI tools just spit out code. Atoms builds the entire business, front-end, back-end, payments, database, everything. And the best part, you don't need to understand any of it. So here's what we're building today, okay? So first step, go to the description and click on the link below. Once you log in, you'll see the interface. And here Atoms has 3 modes: deep research, race mode, and backend. You should definitely check out my previous video where I go into detail about the deep research and all feature, including testing it with 2 case studies. But again, in this video, we're going to use all 3 modes. First up, deep research. Because you can't build a business without knowing if people actually want it. Watch this. First, market research. I just tell it. Research the handmade jewelry market, identify target audience, and suggest product positioning. And watch. Not just searching the web, it's analyzing competitors, identifying gaps, understanding user needs. 3 minutes, complete business intelligence report. But here's the question, does the market even exist? It scored 73% on the Xbench Deep Research benchmark, outperforming OpenAI o3 and Google Gemini. So this isn't just basic web scraping, this is actual strategic analysis. So now I know there's a market, I know who to target, I know what to charge. And by the way, drop a comment below and tell me, what business idea have you been sitting on? Now the important part, can we actually build something people will buy? Let's find out. Alright, 1 sentence. Create a simple e-commerce website for handmade jewelry with backend. That's it, and I'm turning on the backend feature. Now before I hit build, just so you know, Atoms has a race mode feature where multiple AI teams compete to build your project and you pick the winner. Basically eliminates the lottery of will this AI output be good or not. Let me show you how this works. I will simply enter my prompt and switch on the race mode. Here you can see all the different models competing. Gemini 3.0 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.5, DeepSeek 3.2, Gemini 3.0 Flash Preview. You can see the progress of all of them building simultaneously. And here I can preview what each one is creating. See how they're approaching the design differently, different layouts, different structures, and whichever one I like best, I just choose that one. So instead of rolling the dice on one AI build, I get multiple options and pick the winner. That's race mode. I'm not using it for our main demo, but it's there if you want guaranteed quality. All right, let's build our website with backend mode. Let's see what it does with this. Okay, so watch this. It's not just generating code, it's actually building infrastructure. Once requirements are set, it's spinning up a real database. Not a fake demo, a real one that can store products, orders, customer data. And it's pre-filling it with sample jewelry products so I can test everything right away. Now it's building the pages, homepage, product pages, shopping cart, checkout. This is all happening automatically. I'm not configuring anything, I'm just watching it build. And if you encounter any errors during the build, you just click Fix All Bugs and it automatically handles that. All right, it's done. Let's see what we got. You can see here's the customer-facing store, and this actually looks really good. Clean design, professional photos, clear navigation. But let me test the actual shopping experience. Here's a product, let me add this to the cart. Cart's working, now checkout. Okay, so the customer experience is smooth. Add to cart, checkout, pay. It all works, but here's where it gets really interesting. As the business owner, I need to see that order, right? I need to fulfill it. I need a way to manage my business. So let me ask Atoms to add a merchant dashboard. And watch, it's adding a complete admin backend to the existing site. All right, it's done. Now let me log into the merchant backend. Okay, this is amazing. So I've got a complete business management system. Look at the dashboard. Total revenue, total orders, active products. Right now, I have 17 products already listed, and there's a low stock alert system that warns me when anything drops below 5 units. Now, there are 2 main sections here, products and orders. Under products, I can add new inventory, delete items, update quantities, full catalog control. Under orders, I can see every order, track fulfillment, and manage shipping. Everything you need to run an actual business. But here's what's actually crazy about Atoms. It doesn't stop at just building. Watch this. Let's say I want to add an AI feature. I can just ask for it. Add an AI virtual try-on feature for jewelry. That's it. And Atoms will integrate AI capabilities right into the existing site. This is what they mean by vibe business. You're not building static sites. You can keep evolving the business with new features all through simple prompts. Now here's the thing, you can build the best store in the world, but if nobody finds it, you're not making money. And SEO is usually this whole complicated thing where you need to hire specialists, pay for tools, spend weeks optimizing, but Atoms has a built-in SEO agent that does all of this for you. Watch this, I just tell it, help me fully optimize my website for SEO, and it handles everything. So it's not just building the store, it's setting it up to actually get traffic and customers. What's been your biggest challenge with getting customers to your website or business? Is it SEO, social media, paid ads? And if you're learning something new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm testing different AI tools every week to see what actually works. All right, let me show you one more thing. One click, custom domain, and the store is live, ready to take real orders. So let me just recap what happened here. One prompt, a few minutes, complete production-ready business. The only thing left for you to do is start selling. And that's the difference between Atoms and every other AI tool. This isn't just code. This is a complete business between Atoms and every other AI tool. So if you want to try this yourself, whether you're building an online store, a SaaS app, a booking system, whatever, here's what you need to remember. Don't just build websites, build a real business. Click the link below to hire your AI Vibe business team and start earning. Now you just saw how to build a store, but here's the real question nobody talks about. How do you get customers? That's exactly what I'm testing in this video here. I've made a decision on where to get discounts for online stores, and I'm testing how you can get access to available discount coupons for your e-commerce needs.